Look at guys, he inhaled the mudsucker. What's up YouTube? Today is December 7th, 2023. Current time is 9:45 a.m. and today I am at, I think this is called like the Sandy Beach in Rio Vista. I haven't tried this spot before. But yeah, shout out to Mark. I just saw him in the parking lot. He watches my videos. Thanks for watching. Anyways, I've seen a lot of comments on my last video. You guys were telling me to use different bait, and I listen this time. So I only bought 3 mudsuckers, so hopefully that lasts me all day. Probably won't, but yeah, you already know I'm using night crawlers on one of my bowls. I'm gonna use 2 bait casters. Not really feeling the ultralight right now, but yeah. What else? Oh yeah, guys, I think I just hit 1,000 subscribers last night. Shout out to all you guys being my first 1,000 subscribers. Really appreciate all the support. I couldn't have done it without you guys. You know, it's a pretty big milestone for me. But yeah, I'm currently at 1,002 subscribers. So yeah, we're gonna try some mudsuckers. We're gonna use the night crawlers again and see what happens. But yeah, boys, let's get it. Stay tuned, relax, and enjoy the video. Let's go. It's deep right here, guys. Not shallow. Definitely gonna put a bell on that one, because if something bites that, it's gonna be huge. This is a cool little spot though, guys. This reminds me of like Garcia Bend, but cleaner. And it doesn't feel like it's getting shallow too. Like when I casted it out there, it felt pretty deep. Might have a little one. I'll throw my ultralight out there. Current time is 11:08 a.m. Thought that was a bite, y'all. Ooh. On the mudsucker too, man. So something's trying to eat my mudsucker right now. Big one. Let's go, Damien nailed that. Woo! He choked it on the mudsucker. Yep. Look at guys, he inhaled the mudsucker. Oh my god. Oh. Alright guys, he is a 16 and a half. Alright boys, caught this fish at 11:45, 16 and a half incher. Let's go on the mudsucker, man. On the mudsucker, y'all. Hey, thanks y'all for telling me to try out the mudsucker, man. Got me a nice one on the bank. Alright buddy, thanks for the fight, see you later. He's out. I guess I can still use him, right? I mean, he's dead, but he's been dead for a long time, and I caught that fish, so I guess I'll throw him back out there. Alright y'all, I think I'm just gonna call it for today. Current time is 3:18 p.m. I'll see you guys back at the car for the recap of the day. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here is the recap of the day. Current time is 3:38 p.m. I think I fished for about 6 hours. I tried a new spot today in Rio Vista. Sandy, it's called like the Sandy Park something. I don't know. It's in Rio Vista though. It was a cool spot today. I tried mudsuckers like you guys said. Shout out to all you guys that told me to try the mudsuckers. I had like probably 20 or 30 comments of y'all saying, you know, try different bait, use mudsuckers. Everyone and their grandma are using mudsuckers. Yeah, I met, I guess, one of you guys today. Shout out to Mark. But yeah, one fish, 6 hours, pretty bad, not gonna lie. At least it was a big one too. It was a 16 and a half inch. Not bad, but could be better. I did have a couple more bites. Tried the night crawler, couldn't hook them. But yeah, if you guys want to check this place out though, it's a nice cool little spot. I don't know about the fishing right now, but some guys were next to me. They caught, I think, 1 or 2 stripers. They're still there, but when I was fishing. But yeah, I think maybe from a next striper video, I don't know. Let me know in the comments, guys, where you guys want me to try, or also let me know how you guys been, how all your fishing been, like striper fishing and just fishing in general. If you fish on boat, bank, shore, whatever, how the fishing's been for y'all. But it's been okay for me. On my kayak too, man. I need to go back out and start spooning again. That's gonna be fun. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video or learned something new, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.